welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead you? Who'd have thought they'd lead you? Back here where we need you. Back here where we need you. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We always could spot a friend. Welcome back. And I smile when I think how it must have been. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Back here where we need you. Back here where we need you. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Back here where we need you. Back here where we need you. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, we tease him a lot. Welcome back, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, we tease him a lot.
Made it back to Knott's Berry Farm. Gotta get the mask on. Medical mask. I forgot my actual cloth mask. We're doing the Taste of Calico today. How exciting. We're actually inside a theme park right now. Think about that. I'm gonna see if I can go turn on Ghost Rider really quick and sneak a ride on it. Yeah. After what have felt like months of being in jail, seems like we're finally free, huh? A little bit.
There's restrictions.
There's restrictions. Check out some of the pecans. Creepy looking dude. So this is what we got here. We got this is usually our favorite thing from the Boysenberry Festival. It's sausage with boysenberry ketchup. Comes with ketchup and mustard. Boysenberry ketchup and boysenberry mustard, which I like the ketchup. I didn't really like the mustard. I'm not a mustard person. And then we got a nice scenic view of the Calico mine ride. So yeah, so you get 5 scans per card to get whatever you want. But we both are going to obviously scan for a full sausage here because it's probably the best thing on the menu, in my opinion. I went with the cucumber lemonade. It was actually very, very good. I wouldn't waste a $5 coupon or a $5 scan on the lemonade though. So I would just go food items if I were doing it all over again. So what did you get?
Pastrami.
With chips?
Pastrami.
Oh,
Pastrami on pretzel bun with boysenberry mustard and a side of chips.
Chips are good, and the view is good, pretty good too. Checking out the penny press next to the bathrooms out here. Look at you got Accelerator, Supreme Scream, Boomerang. Boomerang hasn't been here in 5 years. There you go, Halloween Haunt. There it is, Ghost Rider. Another Halloween Haunt. Ghost Rider, the worst roller coaster in the history of mankind. Yeah, we have.
I want this one.
There's a lot of cool Halloween haunt ones.
I want that one and I
Pony
want
Express,
that
Mystery
one.
Lodge, Bigfoot Rapids. Oh, this is a classic, Bigfoot Rapids. Oh, check that out. Which one? Which one did you want?
I want this one. This is the Halloween series, the Great Pumpkin. What is it called?
Oh yeah.
And the one.
Oh, these are cool. I like these a lot. These are very classic. Cool. Cool souvenirs. Peeking through the window is Mr. Bigfoot there. So at Sutter's Grill, we got the mac and cheese bites with fries and a pulled pork sandwich with fries
Boysenberry ketchup.
and boysenberry sriracha ketchup. It's pretty good. And I went with the basic boba. How's that? Hot. So Sophia went with the steak and chili. Good.
The boysenberry cornbread.
Boysenberry cornbread.
So good.
Just had a bite of it. Oh my god, it's really good. I like it a lot. And then the boba, pretty good. I like it. Bursts in your mouth. But yeah, good stuff. With our final two punches or scans, we got a funnel cake, which is a lot of funnel cake. This is a big old plate, and some bread pudding. And our scenic seats today is the old firehouse. Crazy. This is the original firehouse of Orange County. People didn't know that. This little building right here. Well, that'll do it for us here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Calico.
Taste of Calico was a success, if I can speak. It was a lot of fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, everything was delicious.
I wish we could ride rides, but you know what? The vibe was there. It's, you know, sometimes we've done this before. We've shown up to
At
Knott's.
least we got a taste of a theme park, right?
At least we got to be inside of a theme park.
Yeah, we haven't been in one in like 5 months.
5-6 months, yeah.
5 months? Yeah, 5-6 months. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was good to get into a theme park. And sometimes we actually just sometimes come to theme parks just to walk around. So it felt like a normal day. Yeah. So it somewhat felt like a normal day. But anyway, that'll do it for us here from the America's first theme park, Knott's Berry Farm. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And I'll catch you on the flippity flip.
Bye.